Welcome to this guided meditation for beginners. This is a simple and easy practice to help you feel calm and focused. Let's start by finding a comfortable position. You can sit on a chair with your feet flat on the ground, cross-legged on the floor, or even lie down if that feels right for you. Rest your hands gently in your lap or by your sides. Close your eyes, or if you prefer, keep them softly focused on a point in front of you. Now, take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Let's do that again. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Feel your body begin to relax. As you settle in, shift your attention to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm as air flows in and out. No need to change it. Just observe. If your mind starts to wander, that's okay. It's perfectly normal. Simply notice the thought, then gently guide your attention back to your breath. Feel the coolness of the air as you inhale and the warmth as you exhale. Let's take a moment to scan your body. Start at the top of your head and slowly move down, noticing any areas of tension. Relax your forehead, your jaw, your shoulders. Let your body feel heavy and supported by the surface beneath you. Now, as you continue to breathe, silently repeat this phrase in your mind. I am calm. I am present. Say it on your inhale and let it settle on your exhale. I am calm. I am present. You're doing great. Meditation isn't about stopping your thoughts. It's about creating a little space between them. It's a practice of presence, and you're already taking the first steps. Take one more deep breath in and slowly let it out. When you're ready, gently stretch your fingers and toes and bring awareness back to your body. Slowly open your eyes and notice the room around you. Thank you for joining this beginner's meditation. Take this sense of calm as you go about your day. Remember, even a few minutes of mindfulness can make a difference.